Hey Make-A-Wish kids, I'm Eric from Kaimuki, hoping that you guys get your wish granted soon. And today I'm showing you guys how to beekeep. We're here in beautiful Kaimuki. I got my smoker, smoking down the bees a little bit, tames them down, gets them decked down into the hive. I grab my hive puller, get in there, pull it right up. Now that's honey, full of honey right there, capped. And this one they're working on. The bees get a little angry when I do that, but they're okay. Slip it right back down in there, nice and slow. The other thing I'm showing you guys is the hive beetle. This catches these little beetles that attack the beehive. But it's working, it's catching them, the bees push them right in there. Well, take care kids, hope you guys get your wish granted soon. Aloha.